feel like you're losing sight of your goals? Not doing what you love? Not having time for your family and friends? If you're willing to work for changing your life for the better, we have a solution for you. We present to you Success Factory. Success Factory is a network marketing community with thousands joining every week. Success Factory connects regular people who want to work on their own terms, helping thousands of people transform their lives and achieve their goals. We're doing it together. Success Factory is built on empowering others. We equip our people with powerful tools, knowledge from industry leaders, and good practice skills necessary to excel at sales. With Success Factory, you can earn passive income through having your own sales team and earning commission fees on their sales. We are successful only when you are successful. By cutting out the middleman advertising and marketing corporations, we're creating new income opportunities to people in our sales network. Instead of paying advertising companies to market the products, we give the opportunity profit marketing budget to regular people. Every Monday, you get paid. People are already participating in different referral marketing programs. For example, free rides by referring Uber and more storage space by referring Dropbox. We only partner up with companies offering high-quality goods and services that aim to deliver an impact. Achieve financial freedom. There are no limits to how much you can earn. Your actions define your income. Be mentored by industry leaders. Learn from people who started out just like you and who became industry superstars. Form a team. Like-minded people who will help you achieve your goals. Join a team or start one on your own. Get the tools for success. Anyone can do this, following the guides and techniques industry leaders have created. Learn the necessary practical skills. Learn about building confidence, making sales, public speaking, leadership, persuasion, trust building. Be in charge of your own schedule. Working smart and working hard aren't the same things. We can show you how to be in charge of your own time by working smart. Every week, thousands of people are choosing Success Factory as their go-to source of income. Early-stage companies present huge opportunities. Be one of the early birds to grab the rewards. Start now, not tomorrow.